Good morning, everyone. I, Puneet Garewal, Sector in charge of Middle Wing, welcome you in Parent Orientation Session 2021-2022. Earlier, we used to have this session in the school campus, but due to pandemic, this year we cannot have it in school, so that's why we have arranged it online. Here, we will talk about how we can help our students to grow, to adapt the skills and learn different things, whether it is online mode or offline mode. First of all, I would request our worthy principal, ma'am, Mrs. Gauri Chabra, to address the parents. Ma'am, please.
Hello, dear parents. Am I audible? So, okay. Hello, am I audible now? Please put a thumbs up sign in the chat box if yes. Internet issue. Okay. Am I audible? Okay. Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, first of all, let me start with the big thank you to all of you. Dear parents, you were extremely helpful, cooperative in the last year's pandemic. And the pandemic is still continuing. We do not know how long will it continue, but there were so many changes that the school had to bring up. I mean, we had to shift to online classes. There was so much else going on. The teachers were taking classes in 2 shifts, at times 3 shifts. The exams went on an online mode as well as offline mode. So it was very difficult, and it would not have been possible for us had it not been for dear parents. Dear parents, you all of us, you were so very helpful to us. और मुझे लगता है कि जो ये पेरेंट और स्कूल की पार्टनरशिप है इस पेंडेमिक में सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट रही है, सबसे ज़्यादा टेस्ट में रही है. थैंक यू सो मच. Now I am talking to parents whose children are from grade 5 to 8. This is a very transitional stage. ये बहुत transitional stage है because क्या होता है grade 3 और 4 तक बच्चे शीट पे काम कर रहे हैं. बच्चे स्कूल में आके एक personal attention के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. There are no books. So बहुत ज़्यादा burden नहीं है बच्चे में. There's a lot of co-curricular activities going on. Learning is all about fun and play. And more importantly, पेरेंट्स की कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है इस समय बच्चे से. एज लॉन्ग एज द चाइल्ड इज प्लेइंग, एज लॉन्ग एज द चाइल्ड इज एंजॉइंग द स्कूल, वी आर हैप्पी. Type yes, all the parents, if you feel that. Till grade 4, if your child was happy, if your child was enjoying in the school, if as long as the child is participating in co-curricular activities, we all were very happy. Suddenly when the child goes to grade 5 or 6, हम सोचने लग जाते हैं बच्चा बड़ा हो गया है, and we all start expecting. And the expectations from our children are, my child should be very good at sports. Now my child should be very good at music. He should do very well in maths. He should do very well in English. Why is he not doing well in Hindi or Punjabi? So हम इस समय बच्चे से all rounder चाहते हैं. Type yes if you say, if you agree with me. Okay, so the expectations from the parents are, from the kids are, they should be happy, yet they should be productive. But what I have seen is, when kids are happy, they are not productive. And when they are productive, they are not happy. All the kids who are doing very well in their academics might not be as happy as the kids who are not doing well. So, what we should be focusing on, dear parents, making our kids happy as well as productive. Now, how can we do that? How many of you say yes? Type yes if you agree with me. How many of you feel that your children are glued to TV? How many of you feel that the children are glued to a phone or lot of screen or lot of gaming? How many of you feel that a lot of screen time and lot of gaming is happening in. All those who feel that the screen time of their children is more than 4 hours a day apart from studies, type yes. Screen time more than 4 hours a day, type yes. And screen time less than 4 hours a day, give me a thumbs up sign. Lot of screen time. So I think this is the major problem. Whenever parents come to me, they say, how do I wean off my child from screen? How do I take him out of screen? How do I take him out of phone? How many of you say yes? Yeah, and the second problem, the parents, when they come to me, they would normally say that the kids don't wish people when they come to their place. Kids don't wish. Type yes. How many of you feel that the kids, when your relatives come to your houses, when people come to your house, kids don't wish? Okay, so I'm going to tackle these two things. The rest of the things that the school initiatives would be taken by the sector in charge and her colleague. Okay, so I'm going to tackle these two things. Let's talk about the screen time first. The first thing you should be doing is make a screen log. Take a small notebook in which you will make a screen log and type date, screen time. Just two things, date and screen time. For example, if we are sitting on, let's suppose, 10th of April here, you would write 10th of April, screen time 4 hours, 11th of April, screen time 5 hours, 12th of April, screen time 2 hours, and let the child do it on his own. When the child is doing it on his own, the screen time, and see at this time, grade 5, 6, 7, the child is also able to take out the average. At the end of the month, tell him to take out the average of the screen time he has done. In a similar manner, tell him to keep a screen log, a study log of the study time, whether it is over online or offline. Tell him to maintain the study log same way, date and time. You will say on 10th of April, the study time, whether online or offline, was 2 hours, 1 hour, half an hour, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, and so on and so forth. At the end of the month, tell the children to take out the average. The average of screen time during study, average of screen time beyond studies like gaming, etc. Most probably, the children who are spending more than 3 to 4 hours on screen, their average screen time on gaming would be more. Now, this is the time when we sit them down. This is the time when we talk to them and say that if the average time within 1 month is, let's suppose, 3 hours, and in the average study time is 2 hours, where are we going to go? How are we going to go? Now, these children, when you always tell them not to do something, they would always be attracted to do the same thing. So as parents, if we all keep saying, please don't be on screen, please don't be on screen, study instead, children feel that they are kind of shut off. Children believe that they should wean off from you. बच्चों को ये लगता है कि ये जैसे ही पेरेंट्स का ये रिकॉर्ड शुरू होता है, बच्चे के अंदर एक स्विच बटन होता है जो ऑफ हो जाता है. So my request to all the dear parents who are sitting here is always talk to child with a sense of logic. जो कॉन्सेप्ट उसको क्लास में करवाया गया, अगर वो एवरेजेस हैं या परसेंटेजेस हैं या एक राइटिंग कॉम्पोजिशन है या स्टोरी टाइम है, एनी कॉन्सेप्ट जो स्कूल में करवाया गया है, उसको आप स्क्रीन टाइम और स्टडी टाइम के साथ कोरिलेट कर दीजिए. बच्चा अपने आप सोचेगा कि अगर मेरा एवरेज टाइम 3 घंटे है या 4 घंटे है, 1 महीने का 4 घंटे अगर एवरेज इतना एवरेज आता है कि अगर मैं एवरी डे इतना टाइम स्पेंड करता हूँ, डिपेंडिंग कि 1 साल में कितना हो जाएगा, 12 साल में कितना हो जाएगा, 10 साल में कितना हो जाएगा. जब हम बच्चे को इस लॉजिक से बात करते हैं, देन द चिल्ड्रन अंडरस्टैंड. But if we are just saying yes or no to them without any logic, the children will not understand. This is my first thing. And the second thing is, if you want the children to reduce their screen time, I would request you to reduce your screen time too. Normally when parents come to me, they say कि हमारा बच्चा रात को सोने से पहले फोन देखता रहता है या सुबह उठते ही वो फोन की डिमांड करता है. My first question to parents is, हम कितना फोन देखते हैं, हम कितना WhatsApp देखते हैं. If my request to parents is, if you want your child to reduce the screen time, I request dear parents, you reduce the screen time too. आप भी अपना screen time reduce करिए. Now let's come to the second point. The second point was, we have often seen that children don't wish others when they come. Children don't share things with others. Now here also होता क्या है कि यहाँ पर भी कहीं ना कहीं हमारा जनरेशन गैप है, जनरेशन गैप इन पेरेंटिंग. वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक अ हेलीकॉप्टर पेरेंटिंग. हेलीकॉप्टर पेरेंटिंग मीन्स हम स्केड्यूलिंग में है कि 9 से 2 बच्चा स्कूल जाए, 2 से 4 पियानो क्लास में जाए, 4 से 5 स्विमिंग क्लास में जाए, 5 से 6 वो फुटबॉल क्लास में जाए. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर स्केड्यूलिंग द चिल्ड्रन. इन दिस टू मच ऑफ स्केड्यूलिंग ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, हमारे पास बच्चों के पास बैठने का क्वालिटी टाइम नहीं है, मी टाइम नहीं है. I would, ask the parents who are of my age or the parents who are even less than my age or beyond my age, when we were kids, our parents did not send us to so many classes. We went to the school, or the moment we came from the school till the next day, the time was ours. If we come from the school, let's suppose at 3 p.m. every day, हमारे पास 3 बजे के बाद अगले सुबह तक 7 बजे का टाइम हमारे पेरेंट्स के साथ स्पेंड करने के लिए था. जब हम वो टाइम पेरेंट्स के साथ और अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ स्पेंड करते थे, तो हमें स्टोरी टाइम में ही जो हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हमें स्टोरी सुनाते थे या पेरेंट्स अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करते थे या फैमिली में, जॉइंट फैमिली में जो एक्सपीरियंस था, तो हमारी स्टोरी टाइम में ही हमारी लाइफ में भी हमें लाइफ स्किल्स आ जाती थी, हमें शेयर करना आ जाता था. जब हम अपने चाचा ताया मासी बुआ के बच्चों के साथ रहते थे या गली में बच्चों के साथ रहते थे, तो हमें शेयरिंग अपने आप ही आ जाती थी, हमें विश करना अपने आप ही आ जाता था, क्योंकि वो कम्युनिटी हमारे घर पे ही थी. अब लॉट ऑफ टाइम टेबलिंग जब होता है कि मेरा बच्चा इस समय अबैकस की क्लास में जाए, इस समय इंग्लिश की क्लास में जाए, हमने क्या किया है कि बच्चे को इतना टाइट कर दिया है कि जो 10-15 मिनट वो बच्चे के पास बिटवीन वन एक्टिविटी एंड दी अदर भी हैं, वहां पर भी वो स्केड्यूलिंग में है. ही इज ऑलवेज वरीड व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट. when he goes from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock in one class, at 4 o'clock उसका माइंड ये सोचता है कि मैं अब 5 बजे क्या करूं, 5 बजे की क्लास के बाद मैं 6 बजे क्या करूं, क्योंकि वो कम्युनिटी टाइम नहीं है. इंटीग्रेशन, डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ जॉइंट फैमिलीज है, टू मच ऑफ न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज, पेरेंट्स नॉट हैविंग द टाइम. सो माई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स सिटिंग हियर is, please spend time with your children, and the time should be quality time rather than scheduling, rather than giving them only food, rather than giving them shelter, rather than giving them a book. आप पेरेंट के साथ आप अपने बच्चों के साथ खुद टाइम निकालिए. These were the two things I wanted to focus on. Besides that, the sector in charges here would talk about all the initiatives that we would be taking this session. कुछ इनिशिएटिव्स रेपिटेटिव होंगे डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द कल्चर ऑफ द स्कूल. लाइक आप अगर आप देखोगे एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग है या ब्रिज क्लास है या whether it is integrated learning, all these things were happening in the school earlier also. बहुत सारी चीजें पहले से हो रही थी. इस समय हमारा फोकस, क्योंकि ग्रेड 5 6 7 8 एक एक नींव की क्लास है जहां से बच्चा करियर टेक ऑफ करता है. बहुत एक और ट्रेंड भी देखा गया है कि ग्रेड 11 12 के बच्चे साइंसेस की तरफ जाने में इंटरेस्टेड कम होते हैं. ग्रेड 5 6 7 8 के पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि जो उनका इंटरेस्ट है वो स्टेम कोर्सेज की तरफ, व्हेन आई से स्टेम कोर्सेज, साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी इंजीनियरिंग और मैथ्स की तरफ ग्रेविटेट किया जाए. आप भी जब पेरेंट्स बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करें, वो वाले क्वेश्चन को इनकरेज करें जो क्यूरियोसिटी बेस्ड होंगे. और इसीलिए दिस टाइम द टीचर्स व्हेन दे गिव द होमवर्क आल्सो, I've told the teachers not to give homework like read chapter number 5 or do question number 17 to 20. rather give them curiosity based question, जैसे बच्चों को डेटा कलेक्ट करने के लिए दे दिया या बच्चों को इंटरेक्ट करने के लिए दे दिया या बच्चों को रिसर्च करने के लिए दे दिया, जिसमें वी आर डेवलपिंग देयर क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, क्योंकि यही टाइम है उनका एक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी का, यही टाइम है उनके एक नेक्स्ट करियर को डेवलप करने का. So Puneet will take over for all the initiatives regarding grade 5 to 8. I request you, in case you have any questions, you want to meet me at any point of time regarding anything related to parenting. पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही है, बच्चा मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहा, बच्चे कोई कोई कॉन्सेप्ट समझ नहीं आ रहा, द फीडबैक फॉर्म इज देयर विद यू. गुरविंदर मैम वुड शेयर द फीडबैक फॉर्म राइट आफ्टर द टॉक. आप अपना फीडबैक दे सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच.